Nice spring day, 2023. Little water hole trickling in. Drinking this dry creek bed till it gets here. The rest of this goes underground into the aquifer. Drains and filters through caverns and stuff. Pops out here and there. And eventually into the river, the Illinois River. So that's why it's important to keep everything real clean, especially chemically speaking, you know. The different chemicals that can bond with water can end up in the water supply to drink, you know.